Each year, countless people report chilling encounters with shadowy apparitions or disembodied voices, yet mainstream science often dismisses these accounts as illusions. But what if there's a tangible basis hidden beneath the folklore? From electromagnetic irregularities to scientific inquiries into consciousness, the notion of ghosts defies easy explanations. A 2021 survey published in the Journal of the Society for Psychical Research documented over 1,000 such reports, many describing verifiable details about deceased individuals. Could these claims point to phenomena that standard models struggle to explain? Today, we'll take a rigorous approach, examining theories of energy fields, reincarnation, and documented cases that shake the boundaries of what we think we know. Let's start with the concept of environment-based anomalies. Physical measurements indicate certain buildings known for haunting reports often show strong electromagnetic field spikes, per studies published in the Journal of Parapsychology. Skeptics argue it's merely faulty wiring or psychological suggestibility. Yet individuals consistently report apparitions in these high EMF zones, suggesting a correlation worth exploring. Here's the puzzle. If human perception can be warped by EMF exposure, how do we account for shared sightings where multiple witnesses describe the same figure? Could localized energy disruptions amplify or create ghostly manifestations, or are we witnessing a deeper interplay between consciousness and environment? The question remains open for further rigorous testing. Now, consider near-death experiences. Some see these as completely unrelated, yet research by Dr. Sam Parnia and his team at NYU indicates that patients who were clinically dead for minutes occasionally report vivid encounters with deceased loved ones. The American Society for Psychical Research logs multiple corroborative accounts of apparitions seen by family members at the moment of death. Could these experiences be illusions spawned by oxygen-deprived brains, or do they hint at real continuity of consciousness beyond physical life? The data is polarizing. For every rigorously documented case, skeptics counter with neurological or psychological models. This contradiction challenges the established scientific framework, prompting further investigation rather than simple dismissal. Ghost stories are not new. Ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians and the Greeks, wrote extensively about spirits and the afterlife. Interestingly, modern-day scientific research echoes some classical ideas, particularly those discussing a non-material essence or energy surviving bodily death. The Division of Perceptual Studies at the University of Virginia has cataloged compelling instances of young children recalling specific details from alleged past lives, knowledge they could not realistically have acquired through ordinary means. These findings, though controversial, align with reincarnation accounts found in Buddhist and Hindu traditions. Historically entwined with belief systems around the globe, our fascination with ghostly encounters unites different cultures, tethering modern curiosity to ancient narratives that remain astonishingly relevant. Current research is slowly bridging the gap between anecdotal stories and empirical scrutiny. Advances in technology allow investigators to map subtle electromagnetic variations in real time, measure infrasound influences, and even capture unusual audio or visual energy signatures. Peer-reviewed journals in consciousness studies have published analysis of so-called verified ghost sightings, proposing that unique neurological states could interact with external environmental conditions. While no single explanation fits all cases, the mounting data suggests an underexplored frontier. It's not just random phenomena. Researchers see patterns, repeated localities, consistent accounts of distinctive apparitions, and intriguing parallels with known physics phenomena like quantum entanglement. Such patterns hint that something measurable might be at play. So what if ghosts are not floating bedsheets, but manifestations of energy, consciousness, or unexplained dimensional overlap? Some theoretical physicists speculate about extraspatial dimensions where energy could persist in forms we barely understand. Others reference quantum phenomena, suggesting that observer effect or entanglement may enable glimpses of realities beyond standard perception. Meanwhile, cross-cultural research indicates reincarnation narratives, near-death experiences, and ghost sightings share overlapping motifs. Like heightened emotional resonance, verifiable personal details, and phenomena transcending normal constraints of distance or time. We stand at the cusp of an interdisciplinary puzzle that challenges science to evolve. The data is incomplete, but it offers a tantalizing vision of hidden chapters waiting to be opened. Perhaps we're inching closer to demystifying ghosts, or maybe we're only scratching the surface of a broader reality that includes unexplained energies and possibilities for life after life. What do you think? Do scientific inquiries into electromagnetic fields, reincarnation, and near-death experiences point to a verifiable phenomenon, or are we chasing illusions shaped by hope and culture? By examining the evidence through a lens of critical thinking and open-minded curiosity, we might rewrite the boundaries of science. Share your own experiences, counter-arguments, or research suggestions below. Together, we can deepen the conversation, explore unanswered questions, and spark new avenues of study, because real progress starts with daring to ask what lies beyond the limits of our current understanding.